Hello guys, this is Vikas from Gadget Bytes. In this video, I'm going to show how to reset your PC without losing your personal data. To do that, first we need to go to the settings and select update and security. Now go to recovery option, which you see on the left. You can see reset this PC option. Resetting your PC might help when you have any issues like battery issues or if your system is working slow, you can do this process. Click on get started to do this. When you click on get started, you see two options. One is keep my files and another is remove everything. When you want to save all your personal data, then go for the first option, keep my files. It will only remove the softwares and apps that you install in your PC, and it will protect all the personal files which you store in your PC. And the second option is it will remove everything from your PC like apps, softwares and your personal data. By doing any of this process, you will also change the settings to the initial stage. Like when you opt for the first option, it will only clear the data from the local disk C. So when you are doing this process, please do check that you kept any of the important information or data in the local disk C. If you kept any information or data, just transfer them to another disks so your data can be protected. Doing this process might take around 1 to 2 hours. So basically it will reinstall, Windows software will reinstall while doing this process. It will take around 1 to 2 hours to completely set up, and the settings will be completely changed to the initial stage. Thank you for viewing and subscribe to my channel.